Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can download and install StepStone app for the job in Germany. So you just have to write the StepStone, and I will also provide the link in the description. You just have to click on it and then you can download it. So this is a sponsored, and on the second on the second place you can see that hospitality jobs, hotel career. You have to ignore it. Just you have to read the StepStone business. You have just click on here and you can see the rating 4.3 is a good rating and 1k reviews. So this is a very good app. You just have to click on the install button and it automatically will be installed. So you just have to wait it. So here you can see that the size is very low, only 5.14 MB. So you just have to wait the few seconds. After few seconds it will automatically download and install. Then you just have to click on it. So here you can see that it has been installed. So after install you have to click on the open button, and here you can see that hotel carrier by StepStone. So you have to ignore this hotel carrier, and then you can search the jobs from here, and you can also search the sorry, city and regions and the kilometers, just job title, keywords or company. So you can like cyber security. So I just write the cyber security. As you can see the security and each and security manager, and you can see that all the information is available here. Cyber, you can also write like a cyber security by removing the space from the middle. So it will, if not available, then the search will be not available. So cctv. So let's see and search out. You can also write the cctv, and it depends on you. Just like networking. So here you can see that there all the jobs are here available. So here IT networks. So you can search, and you can also write the city like Berlin. So you just have to click on it, and you can turn on the settings, or you can also cancel it. So you can start search. If the job available, then it will show here. So you can also make the profile, each and everything, and settings, contact dates, and recommend to friend, and each and everything is available. So job market, you can also found out save jobs here. So you can also search by, if you do not want to search specific jobs, or you can also range the radius of the jobs. Then you just have to write the city, and then you have to click on the search, and all the jobs will be shown here. So here you can see that all the available jobs are showing here. So administrations, organizations, and each and everything is available. Just you can apply here. So there are a lot of jobs are available here. So you can contact with them. So how you can get the job? If you want to see, then you must have to visit the channels. You can also comment us, and you can take the help from us. So 848 results are here available. So this is a very good app, and then you can use it. So thanks for watching. Take care. Please subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. Take care.